So hi everyone, today I'm going to review the Zoxkoy Chrome phone mount holder. So this is very small one I see in the market. So let's see what we have inside the box. So just open the box, and here we have another little bag that contains something. So we need to open now to see that. So this is the, I think this is the mount on these AC front AC window. Maybe we can just open it like this, and it will clip on the AC window. And here we have the mount. So the mount has one part like this. So they said here's a path. This is protected. It's a very smooth path, and this is, we have the metal ring. It's a metal, it's not a plastic, so it's really strong, and I believe it's made from aluminum. When we press it like this, the mount gonna push out, and this is an extension. So normally when we don't use this, it's go back inside like this. So we have very compact and small holder, and when we put it like that, it's gonna pull out, and we can place the phone here. And normally I think this one can hold the phone with the screen size about 6" to 7". So we cannot use for iPad or the iPad mini, or a phone that the screen is more than 7, like 8". So when we put in the car, we have to remove the ring, and we put it here, and we insert it into the hole. We need to press it pretty hard because it is very strong, and then we secure it by the ring. So it is easy to install, and in the next part you just clip it on the car windows. That is, so it's very small and compact. That's it. So hi, now I already attached the mouse to the Windows air condition. So it's attached very firm to the air condition window, so you can see it right here. So now I'm trying to push my phone into the holder. So you just slide down like this, and then it's gonna be automatically locked, so you don't need to do anything. So yes, let's try to use some feature in the phone and how we can okay. So here we can turn on the Google Map, and this works okay. Yeah, so that's good.